True or false? Most foster or adopted children have experienced loss or trauma that will impact their education. True, false. True, false. Adopted or foster children can still have close, positive relationships with adults. True, false. Match the vocabulary terms with their correct definitions. Column A: 1. Open adoption. 2. Closed adoption. 3. International adoption. 4. Domestic adoption. 5. Public adoption. 6. Private adoption. Column B: A biological parent voluntarily relinquishes legal rights to their child and selects an adoptive family to care for their child. B. The child is adopted from a country outside their adoptive parent's country of origin. C. Birth parents and adoptive parents have agreed to maintain some level of communication throughout the child's life. D. The child is adopted from the country where their adoptive parents reside. E. Birth parents and adoptive parents have agreed not to have any contact post-adoption. F. Due to safety concerns with the biological parent or parents, a child welfare agency takes custody of the child. The child may return to the parents, be placed in foster care, or be adopted. What is the difference between foster care and kinship care? You may use the audio option to record your answer.